Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make elderberry syrup for immune system. Elderberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins, making them a fantastic natural way to support your body's defenses. Crafting your own syrup at home is not only rewarding, but also a budget-friendly choice. It's a simple process that gives you control over the ingredients, ensuring a pure and potent immune booster for your family. To begin, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1/2 cup of dried elderberries and 3 cups of water. For sweetness, consider adding 1 cup of raw honey or maple syrup after cooking. Make sure you have a medium-sized pot, a fine mesh strainer, and a clean, airtight jar ready for storage. These simple items are all you need to get started on your homemade syrup. Now for the fun part, making the syrup. Combine your dried elderberries and water in a pot, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 45 minutes, reducing the liquid by roughly 1/2. Next, strain the mixture through a fine mesh strainer, pressing the berries to get every last drop. Crucially, allow the liquid to cool completely before you stir in your honey or maple syrup. Once your syrup is made, store it in an airtight jar in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. For adults, a common dosage for daily immune support is 1 tablespoon. Children can typically take 1 teaspoon. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially for specific health conditions. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.